here's a demonstration on how we start the turbine. We're going to do a couple of small videos here, short videos. This is our new hybrid Tesla turbine. We're going to go ahead and warm this up. Right now this is stone cold. Before we can add any real heat to it or put the screws to it, we need to warm this up so we don't warp the blade. So this is a video just to display the process of starting the turbine, heating it up before we run it, and we'll do another video running the turbine and also a couple of them on the recycling of the steam and also spinning the meter backwards and a couple other little neat tidbits that we want to show you. But we're going to shorten these clips so that they're more interesting. This particular one is just going to focus on starting the turbine. First thing I'm going to do is just crack the steam. And I'm going to run this backwards by hand, just so it doesn't get away from me. I'll run it backwards. And I'm just going to allow that steam to heat that turbine up until we get it at operating temperature. Right here's the discharge over there. When I start cracking the steam, you'll see nothing coming out of there. Then you'll start to see water coming out as the steam is condensed. And then eventually, when it's almost at operating temperature, you'll see the steam begin to come out. At that point in time, we'll shut off the steam. We'll connect it to the recycling unit and send it back to the condensate tank for condensing and reuse. Without any more ado, here we go. Okay, we have about 55 psi. Go ahead and back up and just focus right on that. Just going to crack this. Not much to see back here. We've got steam starting to come through here now. Not much coming out the pipe. You can see the step back there so they can see all the water. No steam coming out of the pipe. This is starting to warm up pretty good. Yep. I see the pipe and this. This is a 72-pound blade on the Tesla, hybrid Tesla. As it begins to take temperature, we'll start to see more and more steam, less and less condensed water, until we get to saturated steam. Usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes to bring it up to operating temperature, but we don't want to warp anything, we don't want to throw anything out, we don't want any huge temperature differentials. So as the steam is coming in here, I'm rotating the blade just manually, slowly, so that we can heat everything up, bring it all up to the 300-degree operating temperature at 50 pounds. 50 pounds of pressure, we have 300 psi. We're starting to get more steam here now. That should continue to increase. We'll get less condensate as the blade and everything comes up to operating temperature. Then we'll release this, let this run forward a little bit, give it more than just a trickle of steam to continue to heat everything up for another minute. Then after that, and there we go. So now we have attained pretty much operating temperature of the blade. We're getting larger amounts of steam coming out the discharge. And now I'm going to go ahead and let that just stop. Give it a little spin forward just to run. This is the correct direction of the turbine. We'll let that continue to heat up for just a little bit. I'm going to increase the steam temperature and the pressure. And allow that to continue to warm up for another minute before we connect it. So we'll just let this run for another minute without recycling the steam. We're only running about 10 psi worth of pressure. I'll close this door now so we don't lose. There we go. temperature readings here, see where we're at. About 165, 202, so we're at above sublimation temperature, we're getting there. Steam coming in. 290 degrees. Looking good. We're going to go ahead and open it up. We're about 2/3. I'm not going to completely open it yet, but still getting more water. That is, I believe, our operating. We're good. More than 212. There's our (1600 RPM), so we're good to start. At that point, look carefully. That's hot. Connect our recycle line. We're at about 50 pounds. There we go. So we're over operating squeeze now. Turn that down, let that continue to heat up, and we'll go ahead and kick it in. Let me connect the power. Actually, we'll start another video. So that'll be the end of the startup, and then we'll have another video for the actual connection to the grid at another time, and also the recycling of the steam back into the condensate tank. Thanks a lot.